Moko kuom rowere mag Gen Z ochako chenro mar puonjo ganda e ratiro margi tije pend chik kaachiel kod nono jotelo. Rowere maluongore ni Identity Yetu geto sundo rowere wetegi mondo kaw pande kendo ndikre kaka jogo ombulu kaka yo achiel mar kelo lokruok e yiero mabiro. Rowere mageto luorore pacho ka mangima wacho ni gidwaro mondo lu chike yo makare pacho ka giwacho ni poni jotelo mani tich dine lu chike ma pacho ka midhiero masani dine nitiere dine onge kendo paro matwak de okobedo gi tiende.
We have decided to take up this mantle, tutaenda all over the country, from county to county, tukienda tukihamasisha watu, tukifunza, tukieleza watu kuhusu the importance of being aware of the rights and freedoms of being a Kenyan citizen, and the importance of having your ID, the importance of having your voters card. So tunangoja pia IBC wafungue voter registration. It is very important. We are very ready for 2027. Na tukifika huko, we'll change the country. If not on the street, at the ballot.
We found out that Kenya needs restoration. Kuna shida kubwa sana Kenya, and that is why we are saying reke. So reke yetu ni tunarekebisha Kenya. We are restoring Kenya. Na Kenya lazima ibadilike, but we need to be together. We have to speak one voice, and we have an agenda. So we want 100% implementation of the constitution. As simple as that.
So we ask Kenyans to know the roles of every leader. Like kama uwezi uliza senator mbona hajatengeneza barabara ilhali si kazi yake. So that is why we are here. We're going to teach people about all that, and pia to reject bombers na tukatae handouts. Handouts is one of the reasons that we are failing as a country. Handouts ndio the reason leaders wanaona wako entitled kututreat venye wanatutreat. Kwa sababu wanakupatia 200 anaenda anaiba 1,100 ile ya kureplace hiyo 200.